What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have to bring the BMW F30 over to the BMW dealership to have them kind of diagnose a couple things. I have a passenger restraint malfunction going off all the time in the car, so I'm going to try and hopefully have them fix that today. Hoping it's under warranty. Got a few other questions for them while I'm there, but first I want to go ahead and clean up the F30 because whenever I bring my car to a shop, a dealership, I always try to clean it inside and out. I don't know, I feel like they just take better care of cars that are already clean, so just something I do. I'm gonna go ahead and take the steamer and the vacuum and just whip through the F30's interior and get it looking nice. Of course, it's snowing now. All right, the steamer is still not ready. Today I want to talk to the dealership about that malfunction that I'm having with the passenger restraint system because that's really annoying, keeps popping up all the time. And then I'm also going to reference the blue smoke. I'm also going to reference the blue smoke on cold start. I'm not sure they're going to fix anything, but I just want to mention it and see what he says. And then I also want to mention why I have my check engine light on, which is a small evap leak. I know the code that is thrown. I've heard that they've extended the warranty on that part by 10 years. I've heard they've extended the warranty on that part by 10 years. So I'm gonna ask about that as well. Just kind of gonna touch base on a few things while I'm there. Damn, dude. Carbon everything, bro. He's got the mirror caps and the freaking hood. This thing looks crazy, dude. Wow. The keys have been transferred. He's going to look into it. I did find out on the check engine light, the P0440 code for the small evap leak that I'm running. It is covered up to 10 years or 120,000 miles. So essentially I have like 19,000 miles to figure that out, but it is covered under BMW. So by chance they should be able to just cover it free of cost. So now we wait. Well guys, we're back in the car now, and unfortunately it's just bad news. He basically came back and told me that the mechanism in the seat is a mat that sits underneath the cushion in the leather that basically tells the car that someone is sitting in that seat. And apparently when they lifted up the cushion, it's wet. I don't know how that could happen. I've never had a moisture issue in this car. I would assume if there was constant moisture in the interior, it would smell. I've had cars like the Prelude that has a moisture interior problem. That car smells. You know, as soon as you open that door, if there's water sitting in the interior, it's apparent. But apparently there's a bunch of water underneath that seat. So that's what I was told. So I just paid $140 unknowingly, unexpected, $140 to have them tell me that I should put my heat seater on for 12 hours a day for the next 3 days. I'm gonna stop the video here real quick to actually send things in a different direction. I'm editing this video now, and I'm not really even sure what to make of what I recorded today. To be honest, just disappointed. What I want to actually get out of this video is if your BMW has issues and you can, bring it to an independent shop, an independent BMW European car specialized shop. There's so many good ones, and stick around because I'm going to name a few if you're local to the Massachusetts, New Hampshire area, but there's just so many good independent shops out there who really actually deserve your money. These dealerships, at least from my experience, it's never been good. It's always about scamming the buyer, the consumer. I never had a good experience when it was buying the car, taking it back for its first service while it was still under warranty, and after that I didn't take the car back to the dealership for that exact reason. And to this point I thought something being an airbag, and I thought it was going to be a warranty issue. It's an airbag, seatbelt related safety issue, so I thought for sure it was going to be covered. That leads me to say that there's some great independent shops in the area of Massachusetts, New Hampshire. If you have a BMW or an Audi, Volkswagen, I'm going to list a few shops that I've used myself and can vouch for, because the owners of these shops are upstanding people, and they, like I said, they deserve your money as much as the dealership does, if not more. So Sam Zero up in New Hampshire is a great shop if you're looking for really specialized work when it comes to air ride, suspension, body kits, exhaust, you name it. Those guys are A1. I've taken my car to DTM Auto Works, also in New Hampshire. They've been really great for mounting and balancing my expensive wheels, like the 3-piece wheels, the Heritage Imolas. I brought those wheels only to those guys to have them mount the tires onto them. So, and if you're located closer to Boston, I can't recommend enough Bavarian Motor Works. So if you're local to the Mass, New Hampshire area, make sure you reach out to those guys the next time you need work on your European car. Can't stress enough that if you're outside of the warranty on your BMW, like those shops are gonna be the ones that are gonna be helpful to you. If you're gonna keep going back to the dealership, you're gonna pay exponentially more to maintain that BMW outside of warranty. With that being said, if you are still in warranty, then I recommend you rinse that dealership for all you can when it comes to getting everything replaced on that car before the warranty runs up. Oil changes, maintenance breaks, timing chain guides, whatever you can, make sure you're acting before your warranty runs up and you're having the BMW dealership replace those things, because as soon as you're out of the warranty, they really don't care about you and they're gonna rinse you for whatever it is they want to replace those parts. So guys, there's good news to this. The part that I need to replace, I found it on FCP Euro for $160 shipped. So like BMW is trying to charge me $1,250 for the same part. So I guess you guys know where this is going. Some more DIY stuff coming to the channel with the F30. Stay tuned for that. I just wanted to turn this video into something more positive and not just make it into something negative about the dealership. I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comments down below, like I said, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Bell notification so you make sure you know when I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Keep elevating. Peace out.